Welcome to my solo drive to Arunachal Pradesh. It was mid-January and I started my journey from Shiliguri. I had to cross Assam and enter Arunachal Pradesh through Balemu. There are two ways to enter Arunachal through Assam. One is through Balemu and the other one is Bhalukpong. You need to have a special permit to enter Arunachal known as ILP, the Inner Line Permit. My plan was to reach Tawang and find out the secret route to Zimithang, my ultimate destination. The Trans-Himalayan Highway goes through Kalakthang and Shergaon, and to me, this is the best way to reach Bomdila and then to Tawang. Shergaon is well known for its apple orchards, and the scenic beauty is worth visiting. It was raining throughout Trans-Himalayan Highway and it followed me till Dirang. There were bad patches on the road, and I guess it was because they are they're broadening the roads, and it is going on throughout Arunachal Pradesh. I spent a night in Dirang before approaching towards Sela Pass. Sela is one of the most treacherous passes in India, and it was mid-January. I kind of prepared myself, and this is how Sela welcomed me. I made one self-researched snow chain, but it was difficult to put them on. And even after putting them on my tire, the next challenge was to control the vehicle on the snow. And above all, there was a chance of damaging my tires. It was snowing heavily, and the snowfall started after Baishakhi Army Cafeteria and it continued even 10-15 kilometers after Sela Pass. There was no one on the road. I do not know why. Maybe the army have stopped from both the sides so that they can clear out the vehicles which were there in the middle. And maybe people were well aware of the weather and they were not moving out.
That's Sela Lake, completely frozen.
Going down from Sela Pass was more difficult than going towards Sela Pass because when you go down, you skid more. Now, one thing I should mention the work of the Indian military who were continuously clearing out the road with their bulldozers and other equipments. I reached Tawang through a dense fog and prepared for the next venture.